Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to be going over Bank of the West Business Credit Card. They have two different credit cards. I spoke to them on the phone today, got some data points, wanted to put that out for you. This card is a PG card, but they give you higher limits than traditional other banks that maybe like Chase or whatever. But I'm going to break down all the data points and give you guys all the information that I got directly from the business rep over at Bank of the West. Okay. So before I get into that, please hit that subscribe button. I know you guys keep hearing me say that, but if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. We're kind of blowing up, and I'm literally dropping 2 videos every single day. That's my commitment for the rest of this month. So I'm going to do my best to keep that up. So please hit that subscribe button and make sure all notifications are on. Also, if you see below down there, it says text the word live to 844-747-0003. That's all you have to do is just that number on your phone, put that number in, text, and then just put the word live, uppercase, lowercase, it doesn't matter. And then you'll get confirmation notification from whenever I drop new videos or I go live. You don't want to miss that. Okay. And promise I won't spam you. So without further ado, let's get into it. So they have 2 cards. Okay. So they got the Bank of the West Business Rewards MasterCard. The new card holder welcome offer is 60,000 reward points when you spend 5,000 or more in the first 90 days of the account opening. 0% introductory, I can't even talk today, APR for the first 9 months on purchases. There's no annual fee, so that's great. And it says, what is your business looking for? A value-added card that rewards you for everyday business purchases. The benefits that you get is generous rewards program with unlimited earning power. So I don't know what those 60,000 reward points converts to into like cash or whatever. I would assume it's pretty similar to the rest of the cards out there. But then it says also 2 points for every dollar spent on qualified purchases. Again, you have to research and see what those qualifying purchases are. There's a long disclosure you can check out. And then points have no expiration date or annual cap. Redeem for travel, office supplies, gift cards, and more. APR is prime plus the 10.74%. So it just depends also on your credit worthiness. Just wait, you guys, watch this video until the end because they're slightly different than just some of the other traditional banks that just look at your personal credit. They actually look at some business credit as well. So stay until the end for that for sure. Anyway, so the other one they offer is Bank of the West Business MasterCard, and the welcome offer, you don't get any points, but you get the 0% APR for the first 12 months. Okay, instead of 9 months, it's for the first 12 months. And that's for also balance transfers and purchases. So you can do balance transfer and have 0% APR. So if you want to move some money around from other cards, this would be a great card for you. There are also no annual fee with this card. We got to love that. And convenient card with most competitive interest rate. And it says, the benefits, a competitive APR, ideal for businesses that typically carry a monthly balance. So again, if you're going to carry a monthly balance, then on some of your other cards, then this would be a good card. Move it over to there, so you don't have to pay any APR for 12 months. It's great, And the APR is 8.74% prime. Again, it's going to be depending on your credit worthiness. So you can apply. It goes to this page. It takes about 10 minutes. What you'll need is your legal business name, your business tax ID number, your EIN, annual sales or projected annual sales profit before taxes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like it says here, because they offer loans too, and I'm going to make a video about that once I get more data points with them about the loans. But it's a streamlined digital application. They offer business cards, lines of credits, term loans up to $100,000 with access to funds as little as 2 business days. Okay, so it says my session is timed out. Okay, so you're just going to say get started. Hopefully my internet's going to work here. So you can see they have business credit card, line of credit, term loan, overdraft protection, merchant services. I wouldn't, unless you already bank with them, I wouldn't, mess with any of these. Just do the business credit card. You're going to go to the application. It's not working here. Let's see here. Okay, there, that should work there. I'm not going to fill out the application. I'm just going to show it to you real quick. So they ask for your first name, last name, obviously your email address. Make sure you use your business email address. That's not a Gmail account or something. Legal business name. When did you go into business? Your business zip code, your annual sales, and then use of funds. I would just say because this is for like a loan, even though it's for a credit card, I would just say either working capital or other. I wouldn't say debt refinancing. That doesn't look appealing to banks. And then the type of search for your type of business. So in my case, it's marketing. And then it's going to come up and, give, your options or whatever. And then you get started. And then it's going to ask you for more business information, then your personal information, then the next steps. It may or may not be an instant approval. Now on to the data points, what they told me on the phone, okay? They exclusively only pull Experian Personal to decide, creditworthiness. So they also said they're not too concerned with too many recent inquiries. What that means, I don't know, because what their definition is could be different than my definition. So like anything else, you want to make sure you don't have too many recent inquiries, but it seems like they're not really inquiry sensitive. And no recent derogatories as well. They also look at your business credit, okay? So they look at Experian Business is who they're actually going to be pulling through the bit. At the same time, they're pulling your personal credit Experian. They're pulling Experian Business. If you're a new business, the guy said it doesn't matter. It's okay. It's just going to be solely based on your limit, and everything is going to be solely based off of your personal credit. But if you already have established business credit with Experian, that's great, because that's what they're going to be also making a decision with that information as well. So you want to make sure everything's matching as well. The other thing is they do not report to personal at all. It's a hard pull with Experian, like I said, personal, but they don't report after that. They don't report to your personal credit at all, unless you default, of course. And they actually report to Dun and Bradstreet, your monthly payment. That's who they're actually going to be reporting to, and Experian Business. So they report to both of those from what the rep told me. Okay. Now on to the fact of, like, I asked them, do you need to have, to be able to get approved, do you need to already have a personal or business checking account with Bank of the West? He said, no, you don't, but they like to see that. So if you can get one, that'd be great, but it's not guaranteed or required that you need to have a pre-existing relationship with them to be able to get approved. Keep in mind, they have several other credit cards. They also offer so many different type of business lending as well. Like I said, they have business lines of credit, equipment financing, construction loans, SBA loans, real estate loans, flex term loans, and they also offer secured term loans. So I'm going to do a video about the secured term loans to see how that works out and stuff, for building business credit up. Now, keep in mind, not for the credit card side, like I said, you don't have to be, you don't have to have already a business or personal checking account with them. But to be able to have a either small business account with them, I'm not sure if it's for personal as well, but for a business account, well, yeah, it does say for individuals and businesses, you need to be in one of these states. So unfortunately, like it says Bank of the West, it's pretty much half of the states. So it's Arizona, California, Colorado, Idaho, Iowa, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Oregon, South Dakota, Utah, Washington, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. They did say that they have been adding on more states. So, they're moving to the Midwest and East, in due time, I guess. So what I would suggest is you call and talk to the business banker. You can reach them at 1-888-789-2345. I'll have all the links in the description below, but I wanted to make this video because they really support a lot on the business side. And like I said, just like the rep said, they do not look 100% at the personal credit. That's part of it, but they look at also the business credit. So like he said, if you don't have the greatest personal credit, but you have well-established business credit reporting, then that can offset and get you approved. Okay. So just want to let you guys know that. If you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section below. If you have any feedback as well, if you've done business with them or anything, or got approved with them, please also comment and give data points for other people that may be watching this video and stuff. But yeah, I think that is all for this video. I know it's not a no PG card, and I know you guys come to my channel for, a lot of the Net 30 accounts and no PG cards, but, I'm trying to put out a wide variety of PG, no PG, different vendor accounts, all that. So you guys have many options to choose from and stuff. And this is very much updated information I just got today directly from a business manager over there at Bank of West. Till next time, you guys take care. Please take care. Be safe. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this video. And please, like I said, double check. Make sure you're already subscribed. Down below, please hit that subscribe button and then make sure the notification bell is on for all notifications. Also, text the word live 844-747-0003 and you'll get alerted when I either upload a new video or go live. Speaking of going live, on my other channel, Credit Josh, it's all about personal credit. I'm going to be going live here in a couple hours tonight, probably around 9:30 or 10:30 Eastern Standard Time tonight, and do Q&A and talk about personal credit on many different levels, how to build up your personal credit as well and fix your personal credit. So stay tuned for that. That's over there on Credit Josh. Okay, you guys take care. Until next time, be safe as always. Again, appreciate it. Bye-bye.